welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, welcome. I hope you do stay. You'll definitely love it. To my returning subscribers, my day ones, I love you always. I am driving with my sister. We have an appointment at Beacon Bay.
But then I want you to turn. See a Susan one button and there's something.
That's her. And then at some point I need to go fetch cupcakes for Yondela. It's a birthday today. Yondela is my longest friend. Literally, we met in grade 1. I had sat next to her in grade 1 in Gunubi in Miss Wood's class. So it's been 20 years of friendship. Also, what else am I doing today? I'm in gym wear. Don't worry, I've showered. But I'm going to run my errands and everything in gym wear because I'm planning on going to the beach. You're the beach. I am planning to go to the beach. But the gym later on. And I don't want to change out of clothes in and out. So I'll take you through my day. You must help me wish happy birthday to Yondela in the comment section. Love you, friend. She watches my channel religiously because that's on friendship. Guys, my sister is 28 years old, but she eats a fireball.
It's life if
You need to grow up. We are done with our appointment and we just did a run at the shops. Yondela says she wants KFC and Steers chips for breakfast, and I feel like her feelings are valid. So now I'm gonna be off to go fetch the cupcakes. And we're gonna sing happy birthday for her and literally just eat KFC. I love that. Hi, say hi, yourself.
Hi
Guys, I'm here to fetch my cup. Can you look at that? And you see birthday guy, and I'm so excited.
Really?
So excited.
Let me know how it goes.
Okay, thanks, Kat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yondela. Happy birthday to you.
So reply again, Chom.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
27.
Guys, we're going to have KFC and Steers, and then we're going to have some fun decorating these cupcakes. There is what do you call this? Icing and some sprinkles. Everyone's going to decorate their cupcake, and then we're going to go to the beach. Guys, we're off to the beach. This is my beach crew. I'm so stressed to get started because it's literally 5 kids. Pray for me. I need all the patience you can think of. Beach day with the kids was so much fun. Well, it was fun for them because I was there trying to reboot my laptop. Yesterday I didn't work. Not that I was off or anything, it's just that been low vile too. Having a lazy day, you can't do it off. Because my laptop crashed. I literally need to go into the office to get it fixed. but I told them that I'm not in Joburg, you know, so please make another plan for me. So there's an East London branch I can go to, thank God, but they said they'd give me a call. So today I didn't really work, but it was stressing me because yesterday I literally gave that day the bare minimum. So there's that. I'm finally off to the gym now, and my aunt gave me her car. I'm driving a VW Tiguan. Guys, the drive in this car is phenomenal. I am channeling my inner, you know, mommy. I actually need to get pregnant just to be bought a mommy car. I hope my boyfriend is listening on the expectations to give him kids. I need a mommy car. Do you get what I mean? Guys, it's such a lovely drive, Shem. I don't even want to lie.
Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirt.
We are having fun here, clearly. Dibuya sebezenzele from gym, so couldn't film the rest. Guys, I'm off to fix my laptop. I told IT at work that I'm in East London. There's no way I can go to Joburg, so I came to another work branch in East London. Guys, I put in a good session at the gym. I've been going through the most. I will tell you guys when I get out of here. But what a hectic day, but the gym helped. Guys, I'm home. Finally, I did my hair. Mama nenze cornrows because now when I have my hair out, I don't want to lie to you. I also bought shamrock pie and zinger wings. Guys, a pie. Yo, I was craving a pie. One thing about me, I will crave a pie, so I got that, and I'm gonna have zinger wings. Nditobe, spritzer, and call it a day. And yes, Anita in case good background. I'm just gonna chill with Yondela and Anita for the rest of the evening. Guys, Yondela uzodesha itakile. Kafese itakile. Uzodesha itakile ne cranberry ndiyaqala noyiva lento ayenzani. Oyibone picture. And then I khawuleza this. Hayi heart, I believe you. Because Nandia, you can Indians. Cousin Fist.
Okay.
Hayi ayenzwenya. Kanti.
Makabithi. Nomhahaza ukuthi iclearisha icough.
Oh, guys. Vlog. Thanks for spending a couple of days with me. I love you. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Bye, guys.